This is Maddie's latest thing. Or Mackenzie's. Yeah. Just pull everything out of a container, huh? Uh-oh. Where did I throw that? There she goes. Mackenzie, can you say, uh-oh? She's on Insta. Mackenzie, can you say, uh-oh? Bummer is she doesn't like putting things back in. Mackenzie! Uh-oh! There you go! Uh-oh! Mackenzie! Hey! Hey you! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Oh boy. The box is not empty, obviously. It's going back for more. Oh my. Oh. It's the exciting life of an almost 1-year-old. Just making a mess. Uh-oh. Mackenzie, can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Okay, we'll count that.